How to make floating text in Premiere Pro. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. So here's what we are going to do. We're going to go ahead and add some text here, and we're going to go ahead and basically make this big just like that, and we're going to go ahead and hit the position. By the way, make sure to make this as long as possible because you're going to need this one. Now from this point forward, I'm just going to go ahead and hit the shift, and then we're going to go ahead and click the right arrow key. There you go. And then I'm going to go ahead and click this once again. After doing so, I'm going to click the vector motion and I'm going to go ahead and start adding movement. Now the reason why I'm using the vector motion is because you can see the movement here, and I think that is going to help us better. So we're going to do the same thing, shift, and then we're going to go ahead and move this 4 times. Basically we want 20 frames in between adding a keyframe. So yep, I've added a keyframe. I'm going to click vector motion once again, and then I'm going to go ahead and start the movement here at the top. So it's kind of like a circular motion. So again, shift, right arrow key 4 times, and then click this once again, and then we're going to hit vector motion, and you can see the movement here. So that is what we want. Now I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same process here until we are done. Okay, so now that we have formed the circle, we're just going to go ahead and copy this one, and we're going to go ahead and move 20 keyframes in again, and then we're going to paste that same thing that we have copied. There you go. Move it once again, and then we're just going to go ahead and paste this one last time. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and open the keyframes. We're going to go ahead and click them all or select them all and right click, temporal interpolation, and then choose Bezier in order to smoothen this out. Now here is what we have. Alright, there you go. As you can see, we now have that kind of like circular floating movement on our text. And yep, that is how to make floating text in Premiere Pro.